The Spectre 2 is the perfect wire-gate all-rounder. I-beam construction makes it light and strong. It has a deep, safe rope basket and is easy to handle. The original Spectre has been slimmed down to just 32 grams. While other companies compromise strength for weight savings, the Spectre is rated 24 kilonewtons when closed and 9 kilonewtons when open. The unique recesses seat both gear and ropes correctly. The Spectre 2 has a deeper rope basket for a safer, smoother action. The front of the nose is built up on each side with extra metal. Unlike old styles of carabiner with unprotected clip points, this extra width means the wire-gate no longer sits proud of the nose. This shrouded design helps protect against accidental opening when the carabiner is brushed sideways against rock. The gate has intricate offset bends. This gives a higher, even tension so that it's more resistant to accidental opening, increasing your safety. The carefully considered size, shape and weight make it very easy in the hand. The gate notch is now smaller to minimise snagging which could cause cross-loading. The steep curve of the top bar directs loading to the back bar. This ensures the Spectre loads through its strongest access, again increasing safety. They're anodised to resist corrosion. And colour packs allow easy selection. Quick draws come with 11mm Dyneema and are available in 3 sizes.